In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a YouTube video to your Sellfy product page, a simple process that can greatly enhance your product presentation. We'll be taking each step one at a time, ensuring that you feel confident and clear about how to bring your video content to your customers. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to get the YouTube link of the video you want to feature. Open your web browser and head over to YouTube. Once you're there, find the specific video that you want to include on your Sellfy product page. It's important to ensure this is the correct video, so take a moment to watch it through if needed. With the video on your screen, navigate to the top of your browser where the address bar is located. Here, you'll see the URL for the video. Simply highlight the entire URL and copy it to your clipboard by right-clicking and selecting Copy, or by using the handy keyboard shortcut, usually Ctrl-C on Windows or Command-C on a Mac. With that done, we move on to the next step, which involves accessing your Sellfy account. Go ahead and log into your Sellfy dashboard. You'll land on the home page where you can manage all your products and access various features. Once you're logged in, look for the navigation menu and click on Products. This will usually present you with a drop-down. Click on All Products. This is where you'll see a list of all the items you're currently selling or have listed in your store. From this list, click on the specific product to which you want to add the video. Now, you'll find yourself on the product editing page. This is where you can tweak all the various aspects of your product listing. Scroll down the page slowly so you don't miss anything, until you reach the section labeled Media Preview. This is where the magic happens. In the field provided here, paste the YouTube link that you copied earlier. Again, you can do this by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or using the shortcut Ctrl-V or Command-V, depending on your system. Once the link appears in the field, make sure it looks correct, then go ahead and click Add. This action attaches the video as a preview to your product page. Finally, to ensure all these changes are captured and updated, we need to save the product. Look for the Save Product button, typically located at the bottom of the page or sometimes at the top, depending on your interface settings. Click this button, and just like that, your product page will now include the YouTube video. Congratulations, you've successfully added a video to enhance your product's presentation on Sellfy. This not only enriches the shopping experience, but also provides valuable information that could help sway potential customers. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling.